sick of you. My dress looks good on you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my pamper and self-care routine. If you guys are interested in seeing what I do, then go ahead and keep on watching. The first thing I like is just to make sure I have a clean house and a good smelling house. And I feel like that just relaxes me and just makes me feel so good. One thing that I've been doing recently is painting my toenails from home, and it's just a really nice thing to have. If you guys are interested, I will leave one down in the description box for you. So one thing that I've been doing lately is doing my own toenails from home. If you guys are interested, I will leave the same kit that I have down in the description box for you. One thing I've been doing also is dry brushing. I'm not sure if you guys know the benefits, but it's super beneficial. It can help eliminate dry and dead skin, and it also is good for people who have really dry skin like me. I have eczema, and it just really helps get rid of any excess flakes. And then it also can help get rid of cellulite, and it's also a very good exfoliator.
Never should have felt.
You can't let go. What do you do?
On this day I was trying a new hair mask, and this one I got was from Target, and it was actually really good.
Yeah, just a talk telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a messing up. Laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake or extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating pills when I run out of mine. But lately you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. It's something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to crazy bomb and no control, spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Yeah, I'm gonna need. What are you doing? You can't give the feeling up. Thinking about us. Riding through the city and I'm missing you. Now I'm reminiscing on stupid shit when we couldn't afford a lift and piggyback.
So I did end up getting a new foot spa, and you guys, it's seriously amazing. I found it on Amazon. It actually heats up your water for you and keeps it hot. I've never found anything like it, and it works so good. You guys have to check it out. I'll leave it down in the description box for you. And then another cool thing I found was this back massager. You just hold on to it with your hands like you see that I'm doing there, and it just rolls around your neck, on your back. You can use it on your feet. You guys, it is seriously so amazing. It feels just like those pedicure chairs when you go get a pedicure. It feels so good. Another thing I found was this for callus removal, and you guys, so much skin came off my foot, it was crazy.
The rush I know I'll pick it up by sundown. It's all
Another really good find was this heel balm. I kid you not when I say that the bottom of my feet seriously feel like a baby's bottom, and they feel so soft.
got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or two before I'm having fun. I'm gon' quit this shit before it fucks me up. I'm gon' quit this shit before it fucks me up.
Alright you guys, so that is pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you guys liked this video, please make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm gon' quit this shit before it fucks me up.